Tree Snake House, Portugal. Located in Portugal's Pedras Salgadas Park, the Tree Snake House flows through the treetops like a serpent. Its smooth, modern design integrates with the forest, supported by sturdy posts that lift it above the ground. Large windows bring the outside in, filling the interior with light and views of lush greenery. Sustainability drives the design, ensuring minimal environmental impact. Guests can explore the park's mineral springs and trails before returning to this contemporary, nature-focused haven. The unique shape of the Tree Snake House wraps visitors in a feeling of movement and flow. Inside, the space is designed with minimalism and comfort in mind, featuring light wooden interiors and simple furnishings. The house invites visitors to sit back and watch the sun filter through the leaves. The elevated design gives a sensation of gliding through the forest. At night, the treehouse feels like a cocoon surrounded by the sounds of nature. It's a place for guests to rejuvenate in modern comfort while staying connected to the natural world.